Today, I'm going to show you how to tap into paid online writing jobs and start making up to $500 a day from the comfort of your home. Did you know that many people are making up to $500 each day by writing online? That's right. From blogging to product reviews, the opportunities are endless and lucrative. If you've ever dreamed of leaving the 9-to-5 routine and having the flexibility to work from anywhere, this might be the perfect solution for you. If you're enjoying this look into online writing jobs so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every week. We have tons of resources coming your way that you won't want to miss. Here are a couple of practical and specific tips to get you started. Master SEO basics. Understanding SEO can dramatically increase your value as an online writer. Start with a free course like Moz's SEO Learning Center, or check out SEO for Beginners on the RF's blog to learn how to optimize your articles for search engines. Use writing tools. Enhance the quality and speed of your writing by using tools like Grammarly for grammar checks and Hemingway app to improve readability. These tools help ensure your content is clear, concise, and professional, making you a more attractive hire. With so many different types of content needed, from social media updates to detailed articles, your writing can cover topics you love and care about. Are you finding these insights into paid online writing jobs helpful? Make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Ready to start earning from home? Click the link in the description or check the pinned comment below to access a free Get Paid to Write from Home guide that will teach you how to make up to $500 a day with easy online writing tasks. What are you waiting for? Start your writing journey today and transform your work life. And stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the secrets of successful online writers. You won't want to miss it.